Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how I decorated my Glam Christmas tree. So I bought this Christmas tree at Walmart. It's a T41 7-foot pretty Scottsdale pine, and as you can see in the box, look the green of the tree. So I opened the box and I started putting my tree together, and I started to notice that the green of the tree is not the same as the box. It looks very, how do I say this, very green or artificial. So I'm not liking this green. I thought it showed a little bit more white, if that's the case. So all I did is, I'm gonna show you later on how I painted my Christmas tree with spray paint. So I went to Home Depot and I got this moss green spray paint, and I cover all the lights on this Christmas tree. So if you don't have patience, this is something that is not for you. So all I did is, after covering all the lights, I sprayed the whole tree with this moss green Rust-Oleum spray paint. And then you're gonna see later on that I painted the tips of the branches with a white color, just to give it like it has snow. So here's the difference of a part that is painted and another part that is not. Hopefully you can see the difference. I liked how it came out. And here's the color palette that I'm going to use for my Christmas tree. The first thing that I did is I got this cream wire ribbon and then this gold mesh ribbon, and I put the gold mesh ribbon on top, and I put them together, or I stapled them together, and then later on you're gonna see how I insert them in the Christmas tree. So here's how I started to put the ribbon on the Christmas tree, but later on you're also gonna see that I'm going to push them back a little bit. Here are the two ribbons that I'm going to use to make my Christmas tree bow topper. So I had this green flowers. They're big, so I just put them in different areas of the tree. I've used them before. I tried to get more and in other colors, but I couldn't. And now here you see I have other small flowers in a creamy color, so I put them inside the tree. That way I can cover some of the gaps. Now you're seeing that I put all those different branches and I have them in gold, cream gold colors, and another one is like a champagne color. So I found these ornaments at a local 99-cent store, but I got them, I think they were $1.49, and I got them at brown and also a champagne color. And here how their looks when I hang them on the tree. Here are other ornaments. Here are the gold ones, and then these ones are green with gold balls. And these ornaments here, these stars, I also got them at a local 99-cent store, and these ones are the brown. So here I started putting all the ornaments on the Christmas tree. I don't know you guys if you are the same as me, but for sure if I make a video next week, those ornaments are not going to be in the same place. I keep looking at the tree every day and I keep changing ornaments by ornaments. So I also found these flowers, and they're in a rose color. I think I only got 3 or 4, and I also insert them in the tree. But I didn't want much of a rose color. I pretty much wanted the green, the gold, the brown, and the champagne color. So here I'm showing you all the ornaments, and as I mentioned before, if I do another video next week, they're not gonna be in the same place. So I found these bows that are gold. So all I did is I hang them with the gold balls. As you can see, wherever I hang a bow, I just hang a bow on top of the bowl. And these 2 ribbons, all I did is I did like big loops with the ribbons, and I insert them inside the tree just to cover all the gaps. Bead garlands at Kmart, they are old because Kmart doesn't exist anymore. So all I did is I put them together and I hang them in a zigzag direction, at least on the front of the Christmas tree, because I didn't have enough to cover the back of the tree. And here's my little corner. I put some red for Christmas, and there's the tree. Well guys, hope you like this video. Remember to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Merry Christmas everyone.